Auctions for sure don't go up 20 years ago. We got around, just still gunshot out there, especially around the Sunday. We're still talking. That here's Mark and Bob Dales out of North Dakota. They bring it up here, we appreciate it doing that. And Moonlight had a Chrysler engine in it, or what's in that? Those were the smooth run tractors. Coming up next, these 19 hours. Boy, got slick paint job on that one. Bob Moore out of Cape Coral, Florida. We always appreciate them bringing it up every year. You always come to the cars than anybody, so. Another 4 cars, good long way. That's a Toyota Church D19. So that's a short looking truck tractor. That's the yellow sport paint and plows and that one back. Just let it go to work. That's the water back there. Something about showing it on the trailer, not even showing it. After that, looks like it's a Ford Jubilee. Jubilee come out 54 to mark your anniversary of tractors, 1954. And there's got the bumper ready. It's ready to hit the work. And there's out of Batesville, Ed Fellowship or Batesville. So following that is a Farmall Cub. It's a growing cub, you can tell by the grill. So it's 47, 48, 49. What's it say there? 1950. All six, I believe it's 8 horsepower is what goes to the paint job. We go 2.9 hour road for it, all those tobacco balls, everything down south of these days. Coming up next, Farmall 300, maybe I gotta get a little closer, let's see what I got. Farmall 330 utility. Showing a loving memory of Albert Materman. Albert worked for many years down there at the Westport Implement. Always took care of farmers everywhere. So it's glad to see they got their tractor back out. It was driven by Michelle Miller, his daughter today. So looks like got a grandson with him. So those 330s are small little tractors with TA. Those are heavy road paints with backup wagons. It's everything else. Then up behind that's a Ferguson 30 Scout family. So that all up with massive grill. Grill's nice and shiny. Going about 916 hours. 1978, 916 hydro. Almost Spencer Miles was going out there for the regulars. And then that was getting open. The next one, 72, 140